Come and discover Jamaica for yourself. It is truly a beautiful island that will make you fall in love. Jamaica is also rich in cultural history and heritage. Jamaica is not only about beaches and waterfalls, it is also boasts lush mountains that offer breathtaking views and fresh air. Jamaica is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea with its own charm and beauty. Jamaica is one of the most beautiful islands in the Caribbean and a destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you are looking for culture, nature, adventure, or relaxation, Jamaica has it all.